This is the final video to fix AMD Ryzen 7 9800X 3D failure reports in ASUS motherboards. Are you struggling with your CPU showing errors or failing to perform on your ASUS board? This usually happens because of BIOS settings conflicts or outdated firmware that can't handle the new processor properly. You might have seen other tutorials on YouTube or social media that show long, confusing steps with tons of downloads and settings, and they often leave you more confused than before. On Rexist, I'll show you a simple trick that works fast, updating your BIOS to the exact version that fully supports Ryzen 7 9800X 3D and tweaking just one critical setting in the BIOS. This method keeps it short and safe, so you won't risk your hardware. If you want a full step-by-step guide to do this without errors, comment below and I'll make a detailed tutorial just for you.